sure like many people, you've wondered what unity is all about. Unity is a way of life. It teaches and emphasizes a new way of thinking and a new way of living. Unity has been described as a common sense religion or as practical Christianity. The unity teachings have broad appeal to people of all faiths, Christian and non-Christian. You see, unity recognizes the value in all the world's great religions, and we celebrate the richness of diverse religious beliefs and expression. Our churches attract people of all faiths, and it's not unusual to find Christians, people of the Jewish faith, Hindus and Buddhists all worshiping together, celebrating God and life. Unity accepts the Bible as its basic textbook of truth, and we interpret it spiritually, literally, and metaphysically. Unity explains the Bible and its lessons as they relate to you today and to your spiritual growth and life experiences. Unity also accepts and respects statements of truth from many different avenues, for we believe that God is too great to be contained in just one book or one concept or one philosophy. We believe that God is absolute good and that God is present in all creation. Unity proclaims the divinity of Jesus, but assures you that like Jesus, you are a child of God. Unity acknowledges Jesus as teacher, way-shower, and elder brother, but we worship the Christ, God's Spirit in mankind, rather than the man Jesus. Unity agrees with St. Paul when he said, "Let this mind be in you, which was also in Christ Jesus." Unity is truly a different and an exciting approach to Christianity. The inclusiveness, tolerance, and acceptance of diverse spiritual thought is responsible for the growth of the unity movement worldwide over the last 100 years. Unity is most unique in that it has no creedal requirements, little concern for dogma or ritual, and allows you the freedom to grow spiritually at your own pace and to evolve to your own working philosophy of ideas and beliefs. We feel that religion should be an open-ended search for truth, where people of all races, religions, social and economic backgrounds are welcomed with love and dignity. Unity does not claim to be the only way, rather a wonderful way to grow and evolve spiritually. Unity also stresses commitment, service, and surrender. Commitment to your own unfoldment and growth. Unity has been called a do-it-yourself religion because we stress individual responsibility for growth, and that requires commitment. Service. We also stress service. Unity believes that we are here on this planet to serve from our greatest possible nature, to express the Christ in all that we do. We're here to love one another. Surrender. Surrender to the Spirit of God that is within each one of us, a power so awesome and so beautiful that we can overcome and transform any circumstance in our lives. We surrender to the Christ, our potential perfection that abides in all humankind. All of our teachings at their deepest levels are designed to show us the way to unselfish service to God, the source of all good, and to humankind, our brothers and sisters. Unity is an extremely positive approach to life. We stress health, joy, peace of mind, and prosperity, seeking to accept and accent the good in all people, in every area of life. Unity emphasizes joy in everyday living. We feel that religion should make us happy and enthusiastic about living. We emphasize personal development in every area of living, not just religious activities. Unity believes and teaches that each one of us is responsible for becoming the very best human we can be, the very best me that I can be. Unity believes that as we develop individually, with a consciousness of self-esteem, we can then give more of ourselves to others, like from an overflowing cup. Unity emphasizes that the connection between God and you is direct. The communion in unity between you and God is only awaiting your discovery, a personal relationship with the God of your being. We believe that God is within you, seeking to express through you. Unity is positive living with a spiritual foundation. It's a functional teaching that adds depth, meaning, a sense of purpose, success, and joy to everyday living. We do not preach, sermonize, or argue theology. That's not what we're about. We strive to offer workable ideas and techniques to bring about transformation in your life. Unity adds the most important dimension in self-esteem and successful living, and that is the spiritual dimension. Developing spiritually will bring a greater awareness of God in every aspect of your life. Unity is a beautiful way of life. Even the name unity is beautiful. It means a coming together, a totality of hearts, a state of harmony. A unity church or center is a place of freedom, acceptance, faith, and joy, a place where all people are welcome to join their services and activities. If you're looking for a place that will accept you and challenge you to be the very best that you can be, then come grow with us.